I'm good. So, Chief Judge order says that you cannot record any place in this building, okay? So we're actually gonna go down.
Let's go outside.
Don't touch me.
He wants you outside. We're going outside.
Report him grabbing my arm, sir. He's grabbing me, they're pushing us out.
Don't, hey, don't touch me, man.
I can touch you.
No, you can't touch me.
I'm not grabbing you. I'm just touching. It's good.
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Yeah, you're ding dong, man.
Thank you for tuning into the San Joaquin News Network. This is Nick filling in today. Today's video comes to you from the channel Donut Hole Audits. In this video, he and Denver Metro Audits were conducting a First Amendment audit at the Jefferson County Courthouse in Colorado when they were pushed by Sergeant Gallegos and Deputy Mager. We're going to hop into the video shortly, but I think Donut Hole Audits is a good up and coming channel and his narrations and editing are A1. I highly recommend subscribing to his channel. Let's watch the video.
But you're contracted with the government, so your paycheck derives from taxpayers.
Why are you recording me?
I'm actually recording because you told me not to record you.
Okay, why though?
Well, I'm recording you because your paycheck comes from taxpayers, so I can hold you accountable, right?
Accountable for what? I'm
And you're in public.
handing out
And you're in
masks.
public, and you're trying to tell me that not to record you. I can record anything I can see in here.
I just asked you not to record me. I don't care if you record anything else.
I can record you. I can record anyone in here. If you don't want to record it, you should just leave us alone.
I can't, because this is a government building, it's open to the public.
Why do they have to record me?
I honestly don't, I don't know, but
All I ask is that I'm not doing anything to bug them. I just ask them not to point the camera at me.
and I can't stop them from doing it, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
So I got a question. We want to come in here. Can we just hand our cameras to you, or do they have to go through the scanner?
If you want to go through security, we just have to make sure everything's content. I would probably shut them off, and we'd probably just send them through here if they fit. That's what we do with the news cameras.
All right.
So, trays are right down here. You guys are welcome in if you want. We just do have to scan you just like everybody else.
So now that we're going through the security with no problems, we took a nice little tour of the building. Dude, holy crap.
I think it was gonna like suck you in there.
Usually it opens back up.
I'm good. So, Chief Judge order says that you cannot record any place in this building, okay? So we're actually gonna go down to one, so I can get you a copy of this order.
We can't record. How come they didn't tell us that when we went through screening?
Yeah, they told
Well,
us
we're
it's
giving a
fine.
copy of this order so that you can see it.
Yeah, we definitely need to see that copy of the order. So we're being detained right now?
No, we're gonna go downstairs to one so that I
What
can
if
show
we
you.
decide we don't want to go with you? Then?
Well, then you need to turn off the cameras.
Well, what happens if we don't? Are we being arrested?
You could be or contempt of court by the Chief Judge.
Okay.
So let's go down here and I'll show you this order so you know what I'm talking about.
Well, how about you go get the order?
How
and
about you
then-
step out of it?
How about you go get the order, sir,
Paul 21, can you come to elevator 1 here?
and bring it to us? Let's get out of this elevator. I don't feel safe in here.
Yeah.
Can I just guys step on over here for a minute?
I'm good.
Are we being detained?
So, as I told you, a copy of this.
Well, that's
order for
fine.
you.
I understand that, but are we being detained? We don't have to go where you tell us to
No,
go.
but you do need to turn the cameras off.
No, I don't, sir.
Actually, you do.
Well, we just went through screening with our cameras. This guy said that the news come in here with their cameras all the time. What are you
They
talking
do.
about?
So the Chief Judge order says that you cannot, and I'm gonna show this to you.
Yeah, but the chief judge can make orders for her courtroom, not for the entire
No, for the
building.
entire court side of the building. you can.
So did you swear an oath to the Constitution? What's your name, actually? I never got that. Name, sir? And badge number? Sir,
What's your name and badge number?
Sir, you need to identify yourself.
Yeah, this side over here.
This guy's being a total tyrant. Name and badge number, sir. Before we talk to that, name and badge number, sir.
What is your name?
I'm not giving you my name, sir. You know better than that. You made contact with me. You need to identify yourself. You're a law enforcement officer. It's your policy. Name and badge number.
Well, if you want my name and badge number, we'll leave this out.
Name and badge number, sir. You
How
have to
do I know
identify.
that?
You have to identify, sir.
I do.
Yes, so give me your name and badge
Let's
number.
step out here and we'll-
You have to identify yourself as some type of authority that I have to listen to before you give directives. You know that, sir. You got stripes.
Okay, gentlemen,
Oh,
I'm
6
going
feet,
to-
man.
I am going to escort you out now.
Why are you getting so close to me?
I'm going to escort you out now, please.
This guy's trying to intimidate us.
You're not
Name and
intimidating.
badge
I'm
number,
not
sir.
Sergeant Ralph Gallegos, 89-3.
Okay, why is it so difficult?
So let's step outside
Why
now,
couldn't you
please.
just do that the first time?
Are you going
Have
to?
you guys go first, please.
For what?
You can either go willingly or I'm going to escort you.
Okay, so we're asking you right now, are we gonna be arrested if we don't go? Under duress, we'll go, but if you say you're gonna arrest us, then we'll go.
I'm gonna take you before the chief judge and he can arrest you. And he can force his order. So we're gonna step outside now.
Well, that's what we're asking. Hey, don't touch him.
Oh, he's grabbing me.
No,
He's grabbing
hey,
me,
don't
guys.
touch me, man.
Let's go outside.
Don't touch me.
He wants you outside. We're going outside.
He's grabbing my shirt. He's grabbing my, they're pushing us out.
Don't touch me,
I
man.
can touch you. It's
No, you
okay.
can't touch me.
Yeah, I'm not grabbing you. I'm just touching. It's okay.
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Yeah, you're ding dong, man.
Guy won't identify, took him
You're a
forever to
clown.
identify.
What you touch me for?
Just helping you out.
You're helping us out. Name and badge number.
Dude, I got 2 feet.
Name and badge number, everyone.
want
Yeah, what's your name and badge number?
You don't want it. You're
You're
good.
not. You want this?
Name and badge number. Yeah, I want that. I want name and badge numbers from you guys. Hey, you
ding
made
dong.
contact with me, sir. Name and badge
I'm not
number.
coming back here.
Name and badge number, sir.
Where we file a complaint?
Straight tyrant
Where we file a
right there.
complaint?
Grabbing us, won't identify. Disgrace. Disgrace to the badge, guys. Do better. You work for the public. We're the public. Videoing. Unacceptable. Unacceptable, guys.
Alright, so as you've seen in the video, Donut Hole Audits and Denver Metro Audits were physically escorted out. I'm guessing any type of retaliation would have led to an arrest, so they filed a complaint against the officers and the judge. In my opinion, Jefferson County Courthouse fails miserably in this audit, and Donut Hole Audits and Denver Metro Audits actually really make a great team. They've been on a couple audits together before, and I recommend checking out both of their channels and subscribing. But let me know what you think of the interaction in the comment section. As always, remember to know your rights and remember to always film police and public officials.